Look at the goodness. What do we got going on here on Papa Texas Papa's Kitchen? That's right over here. We got chocolate, peanut butter, and cream cheese. And the sweetness is coming from sweet dessert shake from Uncle Steve's Shake. And we got some strawberries we're going to be chopping up. And we got some nanners we're going to be chopping up. And then we got 3 different ways of cooking them. We're going to try crescent rolls, egg rolls, and hot crust, right? And Maddie's here with me today. And our 2 cooks, we're going to be using the Blackstone flat griddle. And we're going with the ZGRILLS. That'll be our oven. Alright, don't mess with Texas. Oh, it's Papa Texas. Alright, y'all, be back in a minute. She's trying that one out. She'll figure out how she's going to fold it. Then we come over here. We got some biscuit going there. We got an egg roll going there. This one ain't doing too well. So it looks like the best ones we've got going on right now is going to be these egg roll wraps.
Or the croissant.
We got that one there. We're still trying, folks. So as of right now, the egg rolls are the winners. So what I did, I think, I took the chocolate, put the chocolate in there like that. And I took some cream cheese. Put it over here on this side, kind of like that. Uncle Steve Shake sweet dessert shake. Put a little bit of that on there. That was probably too much. And then what I did is I just rolled it, kind of a roll, and that's it. And I'll do it on the grill. So we got it going on right there. Go for it. Okay, she's got 4 egg roll wraps. Going down. Seam down. There we go. They smell good. Just put nanners on there. Check that out. They look pretty good. Alright, we're going to do a little check. Yeah, we got a little hungry. We got some dogs going. We're going to put an egg roll right around one of our dogs. Yep, you burned that one.
Maybe like this, but I'm about to.
Huh? Well, keep making another snack over here. What else we got in the kitchen? Now we're getting creative. Check it out, man. We did it. We did it. All right, Maddie. Take you a gander. There you go. Open that mouth up. Stink. Yeah. All right. You want to go get this to Gigi or you want it? So we made some hot dogs. All right, can you see all that? That's what we made today. We've got cheese. This one right here is the cheese one. We got pepperoni. And we got our regular that we showed you. It smells fantastic. The egg rolls did the best. All right, y'all. That'll do it for this Papa's Kitchen episode. Yeah. And again, sweet dessert shake, Uncle Steve Shake. The link is down below to get you some. Tell Papa sent you. Yeah. It's Papa. It's
Maddie.
It's Papa's Kitchen. See ya. God bless. Hit that bell.